Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're showing you guys what this intelligent oxygen pump looks like. That way you know everything you get inside the box. So they provide you with plenty of oxygen line, a manual, looks like filters. You got different filters here, suction cup as well. And this is the pump itself, so it's not super big. So whatever you are needing it for, you know, depending on your aquarium, it's gonna work great. So this is the size, you know, my hand is a medium-sized hand, and as you can see, I can grip the top, no problem. You have your on and off button right here, and it does stay off a little bit from ground clearance level. There are little legs on it, and you do have the oxygen tubing ports on the back. Yeah, so it's actually pretty simple, pretty basic, nothing too confusing. So most people are going to be able to easily use this right out of the box without doing anything. And again, the instruction manual, it goes and shows you, you know, how you need to use it. So check out your manual on how to use it. But this is your hose. You may cut your line however you see fit. For customization, and then you know the hose just simply pushes right on just like this. You know, it's so easy. They make this kit very quickly and simple for anyone to use, so just like that.